Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to navigate Interactive Brokers. First, open the Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation or visit their website. You will then enter your unique username and password. After successfully logging in, often with a two-factor authentication step, you will arrive at your main dashboard. This central hub provides an overview of your account, including market data and quick access to essential features. Take a moment to observe the layout. Now let's place a trade. Navigate to the Order Entry panel, typically found on the main screen or under a Trade tab. Here, you can search for any asset like a stock or an option using its ticker symbol. Choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Input the quantity, perhaps 100 shares, and always review your order before submitting it. Keeping an eye on your investments is crucial. Head to the Portfolio or Account tab to see all your current holdings. Here, you can monitor the real-time profit and loss for each position, giving you immediate feedback on performance. You'll also find your overall account equity and margin details. Don't forget to set up customizable watch lists to track up to 50 potential investments you are considering. Finally, let's cover account funding and support. To deposit or withdraw funds, navigate to the Transfer and Pay menu. You can select your preferred method, such as a bank wire transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. If you need assistance, the Help or Support section offers extensive resources, including a knowledge base and live chat. Interactive Brokers also provides numerous educational materials to help you master the platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.